let's get into it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making vegan Tania Log. Yes, you've heard right, vegan Tania Log. Tania Log has been a part of my life for many years in Grenada. I remember going to church socials where this man would make a big pot of Tania Log. Wow. And my father would always make Tania Log as well, and my aunt. But my father especially would put carrots in it. I know that some Grenadians might not put carrot, but let me tell you, that carrot tastes real bussin in that. So maybe you should try adding carrots to your Tania Log. Recently, I found out that Jamaicans do not make Tania Log, which was crazy to me because I thought that every Caribbean island knew about Tania Log. Well, that is not what I heard. I heard that they normally boil it like we do to other ground provisions such as yam and plantains and figs. Well, figs, green bananas, yeah. But you Jamaicans in the comment section can tell me different if you make Tania Log, right? But if you do not know about Tania Log, well, I'm going to be teaching you today. Disclaimer, as I said before, it is vegan. I'll be sure to link all the ingredients down in the description box if you want to make vegan and non-vegan. There's a bee, and it's irritating. So as I said, I will link it down in the description box below if you want to make non-vegan and vegan Tania Log. Also, if you would like to watch me make non-vegan Tania Log, I can do that for you as well. Just comment down below, tell me what you want, and I'll do it. So let's get into this video. Shout out to my aunt for helping me throughout this whole process. Thank you. child, and her name is Kiwi Strawberry. This is Nutmeg's sister, right? And they also enjoy Tania Log.